channel. So today I have a great cooking video for you guys today. So today we are going to cook baked spaghetti. This is one of my favorites because it lasts for like 2 days here in my household. So that means no cooking tomorrow. Anyway, so with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. To start this amazing recipe off, I have my ground beef here, and I also have chopped up a green bell pepper, and I have chopped up an onion in it as well, and I have seasoned it with black pepper, some hamburger seasoning, some garlic powder, and onion powder. And I'm just going to let all of that goodness cook. And while that is cooking, I have another pot, which is over here, boiling to boil my noodles in, which I just have water, olive oil, and salt in the water to boil the noodles. So I'm gonna cook those two, and I'll be back. Now that our spaghetti noodles has cooked and I have drained them, you want to take 1 8-ounce cream cheese, and you want to mix it in the noodles really good, so we won't have chunks of spaghetti. I'm just gonna crumble it over in here. So you just want to take this and mix it really good in the noodles. Now that we have mixed our cream cheese with our noodles, you want to come over here to your ground beef after it has cooked and you have drained the fat off. You take 1 jar of spaghetti sauce of your choice and just mix it in on medium heat. You want to take a small bowl and you want to add a cup of cottage cheese, get a spatula here. Okay, a cup of cottage cheese, 1 egg, and a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And you just want to mix it really good. So it should look something like that. Now on to the fun stuff. So you're going to take about a half a cup of your mixture, or whatever. I just say a half a cup, but just sprinkle just a little bit of your meat mixture at the bottom of your pan. Spread it out. You don't have to cover the pan. It don't have to be perfect, just a little bit. Then you're going to take your noodles. You want to use about half of your noodles, which I used a pound of noodles, just to let you guys know, and a pound of hamburger. So you want to spread this out. Make sure you cover your dish. Then you want to take your cottage cheese, your egg, and your Parmesan cheese, and you want to spread it on top. Yep, let me get my spatula. And you just want to even this out. Don't it look good? Next, I'm going to take a little more of my ground beef, and I'm going to put it on top of this. And I'm going to layer that out. Yummy. Okay. Then you're going to take the rest of your noodles, which I probably won't use all of these due to I don't want it to run over. So let me try this. Get a little bit more noodles, like that. Just want to try to cover the pan. I'm try to pack it down a little bit because it will bubble and you will have a mess in your oven. I should have used my deeper pan like I normally do, but it's fine. Now you want to take the rest of your meat and cover the spaghetti. Very hot. Now that you have added all of that goodness together, I know it's a lot, but I promise you the end result is amazing. You're gonna get some mozzarella cheese and you want to sprinkle it on top. I'm gonna save some for later. So now that we sprinkled it on top, you want to take aluminum foil, place it on it, cover it up, put it in the oven, and you want to bake it on 350. Yes, 350 degrees for 20 minutes, okay? For only 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Our baked spaghetti has cooked. Oh my goodness. Look at that goodness, you guys. Look at that. The cheese is sticking to the foil. Oh my goodness. They look amazing. Now what you want to do is sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top. And you want to place it back in the oven, and you want to bake it uncovered for 15 minutes or until your cheese is golden brown. Don't that look good? Our baked spaghetti is done. Yay! Look at that goodness, you guys. All of that goodness. That's it. That's it. That's all. 2 meals right here for 2 days. No cooking. tomorrow. This is our final product. Look at that goodness. Yes. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video of my baked spaghetti. I hope you guys also try this video. So give my video a thumbs up, okay? And if you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe, okay? So with no further ado, until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.